Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can set up abandoned cart in Klaviyo. So let's get started. Abandoned carts are a major challenge for e-commerce businesses, with nearly 70% of online carts left unfinished. With Klaviyo, you can turn these lost sales into revenue. This guide shows how to create an abandoned cart flow manually or using AI automation. Learn best practices for triggers, timing, and email content, plus how AI tools like Bardeen can save time and boost results. Setting up your abandoned cart flow trigger. The trigger decides when your flow starts sending messages to customers who leave without buying. Choose either started checkout for higher purchase intent or added to cart for earlier engagement. Select the option that matches your audience's behavior. Configure flow filters in Klaviyo. After picking a trigger, add filters to exclude customers who already purchased. Use has placed order 0 times since starting this flow, so Klaviyo removes them automatically after they buy. Determine timing for your first email. Send your first reminder 1-2 hours after abandonment, soon enough to stay top of mind, but not too fast. Follow with more reminders over the next 24-48 hours. Writing engaging abandoned cart emails. Use urgent, personalized subject lines like, "Your product is waiting," or "Only hash left in stock." Add dynamic content to pull in product name, image, price, and cart link for easy checkout. Test discounts in later emails. If the first emails don't work, try a limited time 5-10% discount or free shipping in later messages to close the sale. Avoid overusing discounts to prevent conditioning buyers. Design clear, compelling emails. Keep designs clean with large visuals, a clear CTA button, and brand consistency. Add playful tone or GIFs to re-engage shoppers. A mix of urgency, product reminders, and strong design can recover significant lost sales. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.